With Smart Manager's marketing automation, launching personalized email and SMS campaigns takes just a few clicks. Whether it's a product update, service reminder, or newsletter, reach your audience instantly with bulk messaging. Let's take a look. Head to Document Batching, your command center for mass communication. Here you'll find two sections, Batches in Progress and Batches Completed. Click New Batch to get started. Now select the document you want to send, like a follow-up or onboarding letter. In this example, we're sending Document for User Task. Then select the recipient list tied to that document. Here it's Task Assignees. You'll see a preview of all recipients, contact methods, and delivery details. Need to exclude someone? Just check the box. It's that simple. Click Submit, and the batch is sent within seconds. You'll find it instantly under Batches Completed, confirming successful delivery. Want to double-check? Click Details to review anytime. Marketing doesn't have to be complicated. Ready to grow your audience without growing your workload? Smart Manager makes it simple.